second grade. Today we're going to work on our opinion writing, and you need your blue opinion writing folder, and we're going to turn to page 17 to look at our objective today. So I want to make sure that you get your crayons, markers, colored pencils that match these colors so you can color code and follow along. That'll help you when you start writing your paragraph. Okay, so if you need to pause the video, do that now. We're going to get started. Today, our topic is revising examples or details, and our objective is I can write a strong example or strong details to support my reasons. Put a check to show that we're going to get this done today. We're going to turn back to our work on page 19. Last time, we put examples or details to strengthen our reason. We thought about things that our readers are going to care about or they need more information on. Remember, we're trying to convince them that our topic sentence or our topic is what they should believe. So here's my topic sentence, just to remind you. Cattown is the first place you should go to adopt a cat. My first reason I gave is they care about the cats. And then I gave an example or examples of how they care about the cats. Most shelters can only keep cats in cages. Cattown takes the cats who don't do well in cages and puts them, should realize this should be puts, them in foster homes. So I want to strengthen, and that's what you're going to do too. We're going to make this even stronger. So I'm going to give some more examples or details or really give some more information so my readers know why that's important. So I've already done this because I don't want you to have to watch me write all of this. I've done a lot of writing for this topic. So here's what I wrote, and I'll explain to you my thinking. Many cats don't feel safe or happy in small cages at shelters. Cattown finds the cats who don't do well in cages and puts them in a foster home. They are also able to let cats roam freely in the cafe play area. So what I did was when I was thinking about this, and you're going to think about this too, what else does your readers need to know? I thought that maybe my readers might not know why it's important to have the cats not in cages. So what I said was that many cats don't feel safe or happy in the small cages, just like Bodhi. He did not feel safe or happy in the cages at the shelter. So I told my readers that. They might not know that. And then I said that they put them in the foster homes, but then I also told them that instead of being in the cages as well, they are also able to roam freely in the cafe play area. So the cats that really struggle in the shelters, they're the ones that they move into the cafe area and the foster homes. That also really helps the shelters too, because they're taking away some of the cats that are taking up space in the shelters too. So it's really awesome. So I wanted my readers to know that they really care about the cats by doing these things. So what you're going to do the same thing too. Reread your reason in section A. Look at what you wrote for example B and think, what else does my readers know? Like, what else do I need to explain to them to convince them that my topic sentence is correct? Is their opinion they should have. Then you're going to do it again. You're going to do it for your second reason. You're going to turn to page 20 when you get that done. And in this page, I wrote my second reason. They are fun to visit. And my examples of why they're fun to visit is you can play with the cats and they have tasty coffee drinks. So I have a lot of space that I can expand this and give some more information. One thing I thought about, my readers might not know what they can do to play with the cats. I didn't really give them a lot of information about this. So I want to expand this and give them some examples of how you can play with the cats. So here's what I wrote. When you go to the cafe, you can play with the cats in a cozy area. They have strings, cat trees, and other toys you can use. They even have tasty coffee drinks you can sip while you play. So I let my readers know that the cafe area that they go to is really cozy. There's couches and all that great stuff. And I gave them some examples of things you can play with the cats. Like you can play with the strings. They have other cat toys, and there's cat trees that you can look at. And I even said that you can drink the coffee drinks while you play, which might be really exciting for my readers. So you're going to do the same thing. Reread your topic sentence, your reasons, and your examples. Write a stronger example in box D, and then you're going to write a stronger example in box H. And you can make it stronger by thinking about what your readers care about and what is some more information that they're going to need. Okay, go ahead and get started.